Welcome back to Motive 19 Now. In today's video, we're going to dive into some effective tips and techniques to help you increase your memory power. Whether you're a student looking to improve your academic performance or simply want to enhance your memory for everyday tasks, these tips will be invaluable. So let's get started. Hey there, it's Yogesh from Motive 19 Now, and I'm excited to share these powerful tips with you. Memory is an incredible asset, and by employing the right strategies, you can improve it significantly. So without further ado, here are 10 tips to boost your memory power. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Did you know that sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain to process and store information effectively. Number 2. Stay mentally active. Engage in activities that stimulate your brain, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. By challenging your mind regularly, you can enhance your memory and cognitive abilities. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Physical exercise not only benefits your body but also has a positive impact on your brain. Engaging in regular exercise improves blood flow to the brain, promoting better memory and overall cognitive function. Number 4. Maintain a healthy diet. Proper nutrition is crucial for optimal brain function. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins, like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish, into your diet. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, as they can negatively affect your memory. Number 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation help reduce stress and improve focus, which are both vital for memory enhancement. Dedicate a few minutes each day to meditate or practice mindfulness exercises to boost your cognitive abilities. Number 6. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that help you remember information through associations. Techniques like acronyms, visualization, or creating mental stories can be effective tools for improving memory retention. Number 7. Break information into chunks. Instead of overwhelming yourself with large chunks of information, break it down into smaller, manageable parts. This technique, known as chunking, allows your brain to process and retain information more effectively. Number 8. Repeat and review. Repetition and review are key to memory consolidation. After learning something new, take the time to review and reinforce the information periodically. This practice strengthens your memory and helps prevent forgetting. Number 9. Utilize memory palaces. Memory palaces, also known as the method of loci, involve associating information with specific locations or rooms in your mind. By mentally walking through these places, you can recall the information more easily. Number 10. Stay organized. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. Keep your physical and digital spaces organized to reduce distractions and help your memory stay focused on what's important. Number 11. Use visualization techniques. Visualizing information can help you remember it more effectively. Create vivid mental images or use diagrams and charts to represent complex concepts. The more detailed and engaging the visualization, the better your memory retention. Number 12. Engage in brain-boosting activities. Certain activities specifically target brain function and memory improvement. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, playing musical instruments, or learning a new language all stimulate different areas of the brain and enhance memory capabilities. Number 13. Practice active recall. Instead of simply rereading or rewatching information, actively recall it from memory. Test yourself with flashcards, summarize key points without referring to notes, or teach the material to someone else. This technique reinforces memory retrieval and strengthens your overall memory capacity. Number 14. Use memory apps and tools. Take advantage of technology to support your memory enhancement efforts. There are various memory apps and tools available that use spaced repetition, quizzes, and other memory-boosting techniques to help you learn and remember information more efficiently. Number 15. Maintain a positive attitude and reduce stress. High levels of stress and negativity can impair memory function. Cultivate a positive mindset, practice stress management techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness, and engage in activities that bring you joy. A relaxed and positive state of mind promotes better memory. And there you have it, 15 powerful tips to increase your memory power. Remember, improving your memory is a gradual process, so be patient and consistent with these techniques. Incorporate them into your daily routine, and over time, you'll notice significant improvements. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Motive 19 Now for more valuable content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep learning. Take care.